Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Delta Force game on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device. And once you open it up, just tap on the search box and just type in Delta Force and start your search. Once you find the Delta Force game, go ahead and tap on it and you will see the install button. Tap on the install button and this will begin the download and installation of the game within your device, which might take a while. After the installation is completed, you will see the play button, which you can tap on to launch the game on your device right away. After the game has been launched, you will need to wait for a while until all of the resources are downloaded and installed. And once that is done, you may sign up to start playing or log in with your existing accounts right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Delta Force game on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thanks for watching and I'll see you again in the next one.